second I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California fly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Today is Monday. It is March the 6th actually, and I'm about to break my fast and chow down because I am so hungry. Right now it's about 4:19. I definitely have been fasting for quite some time, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys a little of what I made. Starting off with appetizers as per usual, a nice little side salad that I made. My husband actually created like a little, what do you want to call it? Like a little veggie salad, if that makes sense. It probably doesn't. He just basically cut up some cucumbers, some tomatoes, and then he just kind of mixed that with a little bit of Italian dressing along with some feta cheese. So it was already together, which made it easy to just kind of scoop and add to my lettuce, which is perfect because cucumbers and tomatoes are usually what we would put on our salads anyway. So I did add some Parmesan cheese, some bacon crumbles, and then on top of that, just a little bit more of that Italian dressing, just so that it can stay on cue with what it already had in there. And then of course my spicy pumpkin seeds from Eden, which I absolutely love. So I definitely topped that off. He had the same salad, but with croutons instead. All right. And then of course the star of the show is another stuffed pepper, but you're probably thinking, you guys just had that last week. We absolutely did. This time we actually made a little bit of a difference. So last time we just had it stuffed with some ground beef. This time we actually have it stuffed with shaved steak. So it's kind of like a steak and cheese stuffed green pepper, which is awesome. It smells delicious, and from what my husband tells me, it is really, really good. So I'm excited to have that. He just did a little bit of provolone cheese on top, and I got that crisped up really, really good in that air fryer. I also have a small little pork chop here on the side. It's just pan fried, no breading or anything else on it. So that goes perfectly on the side. I have a little hot sauce here. Yes, I bought another one so that I can have that on my pork chop if necessary. Today was Free Coffee Monday at the local gas station. So I went ahead and got a Brazilian dark roast coffee. And then of course I just refilled my little water cup for the week. So good to go there. I think that's pretty much about it. I hope you guys had such a great weekend. My weekend was really, really good. The problem is it's just always too short. So, but other than that, I mean, I had a great weekend, and I cannot wait to look forward to the next weekend coming up. You guys take care of yourselves, and I'll see you right here tomorrow for day 2 of me breaking my fast. Same time, same place, right here on the channel. Take care. Bye.
Do you have a moment? And this very second I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this move.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Tuesday. It is March the 7th. and it is time to chow down. I'm so hungry. So starting off is just a regular salad. We used up the rest of that greens mix. My husband actually made the salads for today, which is why you didn't see them being filmed, but it's the same thing. Greens mix, and then we just did a little bit of those cherry tomatoes, some cucumber, some bacon crumbles, and then my spicy pumpkin seeds, which he put on the bottom. The Ken Steakhouse creamy Caesar dressing, which I absolutely love, and then just some fresh cracked black pepper. So that's what I have today for my salad. And then to start me off as far as my full meal, you guys did see me put the 2 pork chops in the air fryer just to get a nice little crisp on them and just to kind of heat them through. I did go ahead and scramble some eggs, and I added in a little bit of cheddar cheese to that as well. So it's kind of like a little upside down day, basically breakfast for dinner, except using the pork chops. I have just a couple strips of bacon here that I also threw in the air fryer just to kind of crisp those up as well and just bring a little life back to those. And that way it's also warmed or heated through as well. I have a little bit of Cholula hot sauce here for my eggs, which I absolutely love. And then I'm also gonna probably put a few drops on my pork chops as well, because I'm pretty sure, yeah, I absolutely love the spice, and the taste of that one is really, really good. Muggy is here today with my protein coffee. Yes, I am currently using the Starbucks French roast, just their straight French roast, which is also a dark roast as well. These glasses are giving me a headache. And so I've been using that with a little bit of half and half, and then of course some of my Atkins shake, and I did reorder some more of those Atkins shakes because I'm running low. Finally, I just have my water cup here. I just went ahead and refilled that as well. I do pretty good on my water during the day. At least this week I've been doing really, really well. So I'm very proud of myself. But sometimes when I get home, that's the last thing I'm worried about. I just want my coffee and I want it now. So I really want to try to incorporate more of the water as well by refilling it as soon as I walk in the door. Alrighty guys, well that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for, hanging out with me for today. Tomorrow I do have an appointment at 4:30, so kind of depending on when I get home, I may go ahead and make a meal. If not, then I will go ahead and make it once I come back from my appointment. But other than that, my nails and my feeties definitely need to get taken care of because they're looking a little rough out here. So I am going to go ahead and get that taken care of tomorrow. It's going to be a little earlier in the day than usual, so we'll see how that pans out. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching me break my fast for today. I hope you guys are having a great and amazing week. Are you guys looking forward to the Spring Forward time change coming up this weekend? I hope so, because I am. I need some longer, lighter days. I don't want to see the darkness all the time. Like, I'm okay with the darkness, but I need to see some brightness as well. All right, guys. Well, I will see you all right here on my channel tomorrow. Same time, same place, for day 3 of my weekly vlog. Take care. Bye.
Do you have a moment? And this very second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Thursday the 9th of March. And I wanted you guys to, well, first of all, apologize because yesterday I had an errand that I needed to run, which was, or not an errand, but an actual appointment. And I was not able to really get a chance to sit down to film anything. By the time I got home, it was late. And then on top of that, I had to go run and grab something really quickly while I was out. So I just grabbed Wingstop. I got a couple of wings. I just got lemon pepper and then the garlic parmesan. I have about 6 wings left over, so that's what I'm gonna incorporate into my meal today. I also had some sliced up cucumbers that we had here at the house to kind of go along with my meal, so that was really helpful as far as greens go. So today you guys saw me reheat the stuffed pepper that we made. It was a steak and cheese stuffed pepper that my husband made earlier in the week. Excuse me. So his allergies, good grief. So I went ahead and just reheated that into the air fryer, which has become my best friend. It's not using too much energy, and it's just like crisping up the outsides of stuff, and I absolutely love it. I'm really appreciating it. And then I just threw those remaining 6 wings in there as well, just so that they can kind of crisp up and warm through. I have a little bit of blue cheese dressing that I'm gonna have with those. So that's gonna be my food for today. The pepper is gonna just have to double as food, like dinner, as well as a veggie. I'm tired and I don't feel like running out to the store to grab more salad or anything else like that, because that's where it all is. I don't have anything made already. For my stuffed pepper, I am going to be using a little bit of sour cream, a little dollop there, and some little hot jalapeno peppers to go along with that, just to kind of spice it up a bit. For dessert, I have some strawberries here. I warmed up a little bit of peanut butter and just kind of lightly drizzled it all over, and then just added a little bit of, I almost said sour cream, a little bit of whipped cream on top. Now I can top this with some pecans, some nuts, whatever I have available, as well as any of the Lily's, like no sugar added chocolate chips, you know, to really kind of almost make it like a strawberry peanut butter, you know, chocolate, almost like a strawberry Reese's or something like that. Just something different, and something that I can, you know, just kind of have, you know, satisfy my sweet tooth and all that good stuff. So that is what I created for today for my little dessert topping for the end. I have Muggy here with my protein coffee that I already made. I'm still rocking the same water cup. I just ordered another one because I really need to keep I need my water cup to be bigger. Like, because I feel like I'm refilling it all the time. I have a 32-ounce one right here, and I really do pretty decent during the day. So I'm gonna finish that up, refill my water cup, all that good stuff, just kind of keep the water going even throughout the evening. So that's it. Alrighty guys, so thank you so much for joining me. Again, so sorry about yesterday. It was a blur. And even today, I'm really like mentally out of it. I did really good today. It was very busy at work, so that definitely kept me on my toes, and I didn't have to necessarily think about food. I already knew what I was gonna have when I got here, but yesterday was just, yesterday I had to get that, I had to make that appointment. I had to get something and just eat really quickly, and then literally it was shower and bed. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back on the channel. Tomorrow is really nice because I am going to go out. I know for sure I'm going out to eat with my girlfriends, my good girlfriends on top of that. So yeah, come with me, join me, and let's chow down together. Take care, guys. Bye.